Here is a 1500-word YouTube-style article on the 2026 Toyota Fortuner, sold in India, written in a conversational yet informative style you can use for a video description or script. No headings, as requested. The 2026 Toyota Fortuner has taken the Indian automotive scene by storm. It's more than just an SUV, it's a symbol of authority on the road, blending rugged capability with refined comfort, and topping the charts in popularity among Indian buyers who want a vehicle that's equally at home in the city and on long highway journeys. Ever since Toyota introduced the Fortuner to India, it quickly became one of the most desirable sport utility vehicles in its segment, and the 2026 model continues that legacy with even more features, performance upgrades, and design enhancements that make it stand out from the competition. From the very first glance, the 2026 Fortuner catches your attention with a commanding road presence. Its bold front grille, wide stance, and muscular proportions give it a look that's both modern and purposeful. The designers have managed to retain the Fortuner's signature design DNA while updating key elements to give this model a fresh and contemporary appeal. The headlamps are sharper, the LED DRLs are stylishly integrated, and the rear receives sleek tail lights that complete the overall visual harmony. Whether parked or in motion, the Fortuner looks like a vehicle built to conquer diverse terrains, which is exactly what Toyota intended. Inside the cabin, the Fortuner continues to impress. Toyota has focused on comfort, quality, and intelligent ergonomics, making sure that every journey feels effortless, whether it's a daily city commute or a long trip with family and friends. Step inside and you're greeted by a spacious interior with premium upholstery, supportive seats, and ample legroom for all occupants. The dashboard layout is intuitive, with a touchscreen infotainment system that supports smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity and entertainment easy while on the move. The steering wheel feels solid and well-weighted, with controls that allow you to manage audio, calls, and cruise control without taking your hands off the wheel. One of the key strengths of the Fortuner has always been its driving dynamics, and the 2026 version builds on this with refined suspension tuning and efficient powertrain options. Buyers in India can choose between strong diesel engines and more refined petrol variants, both engineered to deliver excellent torque, drivability, and fuel efficiency for an SUV of this size. The diesel engine remains a favorite, especially among those who use the Fortuner for touring or off-road adventures, thanks to its deep pulling power and smooth performance at low and mid-range speeds. Whether cruising through city traffic or climbing steep inclines on rural roads, the Fortuner's engine response feels reassuring and composed. What makes the 2026 Fortuner truly exceptional is its off-road capability, something that defines the very essence of this SUV. Toyota has equipped this model with advanced terrain management systems, high ground clearance, and robust four-wheel drive technology that allows the vehicle to tackle rough patches, muddy trails, and uneven surfaces with confidence. For Indian buyers who love weekend getaways into the hills or long drives through scenic countryside roads, the Fortuner is designed to offer peace of mind and performance in challenging conditions. Toyota's engineering ensures stability and traction are optimized so that drivers can focus on the adventure ahead without worrying about road conditions. Safety is another area where the Fortuner continues to shine. Toyota has integrated a comprehensive suite of safety features, including multiple airbags, anti-lock braking systems, electronic brake force distribution, and stability control, which collectively enhance occupant protection in critical situations. Additionally, features like hill start assist and trailer sway control help maintain stability and control, especially when driving on gradients or towing loads. The robust build quality of the Fortuner also contributes to a feeling of security and durability, which is important for buyers who want a vehicle that will last for years with minimal issues. The Fortuner also embraces modern technology to elevate the driving experience. The infotainment system is responsive and easy to use, with connectivity features that sync seamlessly with your smartphone. Navigation helps guide you through unfamiliar routes, and voice command features allow hands-free control of key functions. For passengers, rear climate vents ensure that everyone remains comfortable throughout the journey, and thoughtful storage spaces around the cabin make it convenient to keep essentials within reach. One reason the Fortuner has achieved cult-like popularity in India is its versatility. It adapts effortlessly to different roles: a family car, a business vehicle, or even a lifestyle companion on long excursions. The third row of seats, though ideal for children and shorter trips, expands the SUV's utility for bigger groups, while the foldable seat options provide flexibility when carrying luggage or gear. Toyota has ensured that practical features are integrated with thoughtful precision, making everyday use pleasant and convenient. When it comes to ownership experience, the 2026 Fortuner benefits from Toyota's vast service network spread across India. This ensures reliable after-sales support, ready availability of spare parts, and expert service professionals trained to handle the specific needs of this SUV. Toyota's commitment to quality and durability means many Fortuner owners enjoy high resale value, reinforcing the perception of this vehicle as a worthwhile long-term investment. With an increasing number of Fortuner owners joining enthusiast communities and online forums, the shared experiences from service tips to road trip stories further enhance the ownership experience. Fuel efficiency and running costs are practical considerations for Indian buyers, and Toyota has worked to make the Fortuner competitive in this regard. While large SUVs generally consume more fuel than smaller cars, the Fortuner's engines are designed to balance power with efficiency. Coupled with Toyota's reputation for mechanical reliability, this makes the SUV a reasonable choice for buyers who want an impressive vehicle without excessive running hassles. The robust build quality also means that the Fortuner handles Indian road conditions, from potholes to uneven rural roads, with confidence, making maintenance needs predictable and manageable. From a lifestyle perspective, owning a Fortuner has become a statement. It's seen as a reflection of success, adventure, and confidence. In urban India, it's not uncommon to spot Fortuners in business districts, residential areas, and on highways, often accompanied by loyal enthusiasts who share tips on modifications, accessories, and travel itineraries. Toyota also offers a range of genuine accessories that allow owners to personalize their Fortuner, from roof rails and side steps to enhanced lighting options and interior upgrades that add both functionality and style. For video creators and content enthusiasts highlighting the 2026 Toyota Fortuner, there's no shortage of footage opportunities. You can film the SUV in motion along scenic highways, showcase close-ups of its design details, or document how it handles different terrains. Interviews with owners about their real-world experiences, comparisons with competitors, and demonstrations of key features like the four-wheel drive system, terrain modes, and infotainment can make engaging content that resonates with car lovers. The Fortuner isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice that connects with viewer on both emotional and practical levels. In India, where the SUV market continues to grow rapidly, the Fortuner remains a top contender that doesn't compromise on what buyers want: reliability, performance, comfort, and prestige. Even as new models and technologies emerge, Toyota's flagship SUV holds its ground with a compelling combination of tradition and innovation. Whether it's for long family road trips during holidays, city driving on busy roads, or off-road adventures in hilly terrain, the 2026 Fortuner has positioned itself as a trustworthy companion that adapts to diverse driving needs with ease. For potential buyers researching online, watching a detailed YouTube review of the Fortuner can help clarify expectations, from understanding specification differences between variants to evaluating real-world fuel efficiency and performance. Owner testimonials, expert opinions, and test drive experiences add valuable perspectives that influence buying decisions. The SUV market in India has never been more competitive, but the Fortuner's strong brand heritage and continuous evolution make it a standout choice. If you're considering purchasing the 2026 Toyota Fortuner in India, it's worth visiting your nearest Toyota dealership to explore the available variants, take a test drive, and experience the vehicle firsthand. Sitting behind the wheel, adjusting to the cabin comforts, and feeling the power on the road can tell you much more than any brochure or video alone. Many buyers find that once they experience the Fortuner in motion, there's an emotional connection that reinforces their decision. In conclusion, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner in India is a remarkable SUV that successfully blends style, performance, utility, and reliability. It caters to a broad audience, from families seeking comfort and safety to adventure seekers craving capable off-road performance, and it does so with Toyota's renowned engineering excellence. With its modern design, feature-rich cabin, strong engines, and Toyota's trusted after-sales ecosystem, the Fortuner remains a top choice for Indian SUV buyers who want a vehicle that's ready for anything life throws their way. If you want, I can also tailor this into a YouTube video script with timestamps, B-roll ideas, and voiceover cues to make your content even more engaging.